Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learn animal names. The first one is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is a tiger. T is for tiger. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a horse. H is for horse. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a duck. D is for duck. This is a deer. This is a bear. B is for bear. This is a camel. This is a rabbit. This is a tiger.